Lots of fireworks. Look at these, lots of fireworks.
I know.
On the there, Pleasant Run Middle School.
I know.
In the church.
I know.
Pleasant Run Church. Church in the Pleasant Run.
Yeah.
I know, Ian. I know, Ian.
Yep.
4th of July. Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July, everybody.
And then it's Saturday, July 4th and 2020.
Yep.
Tomorrow, Sunday, July 5th, 2020.
Yep.
It will be a Monday, July 6th. Day? Independence Day.
Big ones. I hear them.
Independence Day.
Yep.
Today is Independence Day.
Independence Day.
4th of July.
Yes.
Stars, Uncle Sam's, and American flag, American Eagle,
Cool.
and now no American Eagles, stars,
Yes.
fireworks,
Yes.
and unicorns and the dogs.
Yep.
Okay?
What?
4th of July, Uncle Sam.
Yep. Told you guys you'd be able to watch it right out the window.
Don't step in the vent.
Don't see it as well, but still get to watch it.
Okay?
What?
Don't step in the vent.
Right.
It will be too dangerous.
Right.
Do not put a vent in the clay.
Too many people sick right
People are dying.
now. Well, they are.
People are dying.
COVID
COVID-19.
sucks, you know. Look at all the fireworks.
Look at all the fireworks.
Big ones.
Bigger one.
Yeah.
Big ones? I got the
Yeah.
big firework.
Yeah.
And you made the frog collection. You made the
Really?
frog collection
Really?
figurines. You made a strawberry poison dark frog.
Yeah.
You made a frog with a bow.
Yeah.
You made the animal pink frog and the apple.
Yeah.
Tasty.
You can thank our neighbors for these, I guess. too.
Neighborhood.
Really?